Hi, my name is Lori Elmore and I'm here to talk about Assignment 8. On page 38, Figure 2.1 shows us the difference between knowledge and understanding. Knowledge is knowing something is to be true, and understanding is understanding why it is. What makes it knowledge? The book states if understanding is about making meaning of facts and transferring knowledge to other problems, tasks, and domains, what does such understanding or lack of it look like? What should we be seeing if our students are getting better at understanding what they are learning? To pose this question is to shift from talking about our aims to talking about the evidence of whether our aims have been met. For this unit, I'll be talking about quadratic functions and equations. The student applies the mathematical process standards when using graphs of quadratic functions and their related transformations to represent in multiple ways and determine, with and without technology, the solutions to equations. The student is expected to determine the effects of the graph of the parent function f of x equals x squared when f of x equals x minus c squared. Given the parent function f of x equals x squared and f of x minus 5 squared, some students would assume since you are subtracting 5 on the new function, you would move the parent function to the left on the graph, but this is not the case. The parent function would be shifted 5 units to the right on the graph. If you graph the parent function, you find the point negative 2, 4 to be on the parabola. Negative 2 is your x, and if you square that, negative 2 squared is 4. If you find the new point on the shifted line, you would find 3, 4. 3 is your x, and if you put that in the equation, x minus 5 squared, you get 3 minus 5 is negative 2, and negative 2 is 4. The essential question is, what is a parent function and how does the equation affect the graph? The desired understandings are, learners will understand the effects of a parent function by examining the equations given. Learners will understand the effect of a parent function by examining the graph of the function. Students will be able to determine the effects of the graph of the parent function with and without technology. This means students will be able to look at an equation and determine its effects of the parent function without graphing.